Welcome back to our channel where we bring you exciting tech reviews and helpful content. Today we'll dive into a detailed guide on how to use TotalAV, one of the most powerful antivirus softwares out there. If you want to keep your devices safe and secure from online threats, this TotalAV beginner's tutorial is for you. Before we get started, make sure to check out the links in the description below to get TotalAV at a discounted price. In today's digital world, our devices are super vulnerable. They hold sensitive info, financial details, and more, making them a feast for hackers and bad software. But don't worry, TotalAV Antivirus is like a super tool shield that blocks viruses, malware, ransomware, and all those nasty online threats. Whether you're browsing, downloading, or checking emails, it is a must to keep your devices safe and sound. Also, let's mention it here that TotalAV was crowned Best Antivirus Software of the Year by Cyber News. Plus, it's got all the awards and top-notch reviews, making it a killer choice to keep your devices safe. Now, let's walk you through the simple steps on how to install TotalAV on your device. First, visit the link in the description below to download the software. Once you're on the website, navigate your way to the download page. TotalAV offers various plans, so choose the one that suits your needs best. Once the download is complete, launch the setup wizard, which will guide you through the installation. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. Now you can run an initial scan on your devices to check for any existing threats and vulnerabilities. On the app, you'll see the incredible features that TotalAV has for you. With real-time protection, your files and apps are scanned in real time, preventing sneaky threats before they can cause harm. Web protection safeguards your browsing by scanning for malicious content, blocking phishing attempts, and alerting you about risky websites. The VPN feature encrypts your internet connection for privacy and security, especially on public Wi-Fi. Total Ad Blocker removes annoying ads, providing a smoother browsing experience and reducing the risk of malicious clicks. System tune-up tools optimize device performance by clearing junk, duplicates, and personal browsing data. The Password Manager generates strong, secure passwords for easy access and enhanced security. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use TotalAV to protect your devices from online threats. With its real-time protection, web security, VPN, and other powerful features, you can browse the internet with confidence. Remember to choose the plan that suits you best and take advantage of the risk-free trial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Stay safe and protected with TotalAV. Thanks for watching.